Good morning everyone. My name is Arun Nitin Patil. I am studying in first B class. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Monday. Today's date is 17th February 2025. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning everyone. My name is Simra Imran Mat. I am studying in first A class. Now I am going to tell you today's good thought. Today's good thought is culture is the window through which we see the beauty of our past and the strength of our future.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arav Mahesh Patel from grade 2.
I am Rajvardhan Sandeep Patil from grade 2.
I am Ahmad Tanvishir Gave from grade 2. I am Om Rohitatkar from grade 2.
Today we will share information about Taj Mahotsav.
The Taj Mahotsav is a big festival celebrated in India which starts from 17th February every year.
This festival is celebrated in Agra near the Taj Mahal. This festival promotes the rich culture and local crafts of India.
What is special about Taj Mahotsav?
It is a 10-day festival.
This festival is celebrated in. There are many activities and exhibitions.
Can you share who all participate in the Taj Mahotsav?
Artists, craftsmen from entire India.
Dancers, singers, food vendors. Visitors from the world.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to emphasize on.
It helps to learn about different culture.
It supports artisans and help to sell their work. Most important, it helps to keep India's traditional alive.
May we celebrate our rich culture, support artists and enjoy beauty of Indian tradition. Happy Taj Mahotsav!